All right, we're going to look at doing this freehand sketch of 2.3 of this HSE textbook, or workbook at least. You can see that there are some circles over here, and you'll see that there are center lines going through that circle. What I would suggest you do is you start by doing those center lines first. You can see over here that the center line is in between your I and J. So there's your center line going in between I and J, and it's going in between 5 and 4 over here. So what I need to do is to try and find I and J, okay, and to be able to draw a line, and 5 and 4, and to be able to draw a line. Right, what we need to do is to try and find the exact center of this little block in here. Okay, I'm just going to highlight that little block for you. There we go, I'm just highlighting that. That little block, I need to find the center. What I'd suggest you do is just draw a little construction line going at 45 degrees across there, and a little construction line just going at 45 degrees across there to find the exact center. All right, once I've got that, just try and mark out the centers of these lines going up here. Okay, so just mark a few little center points on these lines going up and going down, just to give yourself a bit of a reference, and then draw a construction line going up between those points. Try and do it as accurately as you possibly can, because that center line is going to influence the rest of the drawing. Same story over here. Just mark off the centers of these little pieces of line. Okay, so I'm just trying to find more or less the center going across here, more or less the center going across there. Just giving myself a bit of a reference as to where I'm going, and then I'm going to draw a nice line going across there. Just a nice little construction line, joining up all those little dots I just made. Once I've done that, well, I've got my center lines that I can draw in, and we just need to have a look over here. It goes down half a block, 1 block, 2 blocks. So half a block, 1 block, 2 blocks. That would be that point over there. Half a block, 1 block, 2 blocks. That would be that point over there. Okay. And over here we've got half a block, 1 block, going up to the first circle over there. Half a block, 1 block to that circle over there. Half a block, 1 block there. Half a block, 1 block there. Half a block, 1 block, 2 blocks to out there. Half a block, 1 block, 2 blocks out to there. All right, so we've got basically the dots that I need in order to draw the circle over here. What we did originally was just to try and figure out where what the distance is for that circle, and we just made little dots. What we need to do is to try and figure out, that would be a straight line going across there. It needs to curve out somewhere over here. Let's just have a look at that idea. We're basically wanting that same sort of radius. What you could do is you could try and measure off what that radius is with your pencil over there. Take it and mark it off over there. Same story over here. Take that radius, just mark it, get a finger over there, swing it around, so that you're getting a more or less a radius. Let's just get that a bit more accurately. There it is, somewhere over there, there, there. Okay, just getting a small sort of indication as to how far out it needs to go. And at the end of the day, by getting those little dots in place, you'll then start being able to see more or less where you're needing to go with your circle. That one was a little bit too far out, I can see that, so I'm just going to make little dots until I can see that I'm getting it right. Take that across there, little dots coming down over here. Just making little dots. You can very often see where you need to just correct it a little bit. Get those dots in place until you've got something that looks like the circle that you need. And down here, there we go. Little dots coming around. Do the corrections with these little teeny weeny dots until it looks right. Once you've sort of got that circle in place, you can then join up your little dots that I've just been drawing, little construction line dots. Don't try and draw actual circles before you've done little teeny weeny dots over here, and you'll find that you're able to draw reasonably decent circles coming round. But, okay, I need to do the same story over here. What's the distance that I need? That sort of distance. Probably have a piece dot over there. You can see that radius over there from there to there is more or less the same. Do another one about over there. Do another one about over there-ish, something like that. Dot, 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 dot. Just get that dotting line going. Same story over here. Try and get that little dotted line going around. Little dotted line going around, just getting that radius. If you see it's not quite right, just put the dots in the right places before you draw. There we go. That's looking reasonably okay. Okay, and once I've got that in place, just go around, going around over here, going around there. Right. Okay, from there, I'd start out and put the center line in, short dash in the middle, long dash going out, short dash, long dash going out, long dash going out over here, short dash, long dash going out there. Over here, need a long dash, short dash, 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 long dash. Right, once I've got that in place, I can see it goes out one block more over here. That's on this line M, so I need to just draw a construction line going up there. I can see that there's a line that's making a tangent to that circle coming across there, going across over there. That goes all the way across like that. You've got a tangent going to this circle over here, so a line going all the way across there. Just drawing construction lines for now. I'm going to draw in these curves over here. Try and figure out where the center is. Center is over there, so I need a curve which basically has the same radius as this length over here. Dot, 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 dot. And draw in that lovely curve over there. You've got to do the same story over here. Dot, 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 dot. Check that it's the same as the other curve and go for it. Once I've got my curves in place, I'm going to draw a line going between those curves. Always draw your curves first, then draw the lines. It's much easier that way. This ends on B, so I need a construction line just going up over there. Once I've got that in place, draw a line going all the way across here, joining up that curve, a line going across over, oh dear, I've made that curve in the wrong place, haven't I? Right, so we just need to rub that out. That was a bit silly. There we go. Okay. Dot, 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 dot. Draw that curve in. Link that up again. Draw this line coming across over here. There we go. Okay, and I need this line coming up here. Right, you can see that there's a hidden detail line going up there. So we just go hidden detail over that part over there. Hidden detail there. It says that I've got a center line going across here. So long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, right? And then hidden detail again. Hidden detail. Right, once I've got that, I have got these little curves over here happening sort of in the off the edge of D over there, So I just come along here, I find where D is, there it is. I'm going to draw that little curve in over there, that little curve in over there, and a line coming across over here to the circle, a line coming across over here to the circle, and then a line going up at F, going up to there, and continuing up to there, and that is the drawing done. Right, yeah, the idea is try and keep the consistency of your line work the same right the way through the drawing, and yeah, good luck with that. Cool.